Hello everyone. Today we will see how to connect the FaunaDB and query that database using Python. In this video, as we progress, we will see brief introduction about FaunaDB and Python. Next, the explanation of code with demo. Introduction to FaunaDB. FaunaDB is a global serverless database that rethinks the client-server relationship. FaunaDB has a web-native GraphQL interface which supports the user to interact with the database easily and provides total freedom to perform database operations. FaunaDB enables you to simplify code, reduces the cost, and ships faster. It is one of the fastest database which reflects within seconds. Next, introduction to Python. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language, as it has vast libraries which makes it unique and user-friendly to its users. Hence, we use Python to connect to our FaunaDB. Let's move on to the code. For coding, I'm using Google Colab. You can use any IDE like PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, etc. To connect to FaunaDB, you need to install a library called FaunaDB, which can be installed using the pip command. Now I'm going to install it. As you can see that it has been installed completely. To make it easy, I'll copy my code which I have already written. You need to import these to perform the connection and query the database, and this is your secret key which you get from the FaunaDB. I have created an sample database in my FaunaDB account, and I have created an collection called users which has no documents yet. You need to generate your secret key from the security tab, and you have to select your collection name here, and after generating the key you need to copy it and paste it in your Python code. Now we'll query the database. This is the query to insert the data into a collection called users. This is the data which I need to insert. Now let's run it. You can see that the data has been inserted. You can see the same data inside our collection. You can see the new document has been created. Now let's add another document into the same collection. Now we'll give the username as Ram and email ID as ram@hotmail.com, password ram123, city maybe Mysore, and country is India. Now let's run this. You can see that this record has been inserted perfectly. You can see the same data here, even here. The name is Ram. Yeah, it has been inserted. Now let's display the same data using the Python code. I'll comment it down. This is the connection code, and this is the query to retrieve all the documents from the database, and we'll store it on this variable C, and from C we will get the data from it and store it into a list called list1, and then convert that list into a string and store it in the variable called string, and we'll define a pattern and search for this pattern into that string by using the function called re.findAllOf, where re is the regular expression and findAll is the function of it, and then we'll store the length of the result into the index variable. Then we'll iterate the result through which we will get the details of all the data present in that collection. Result of j store in id, and then pass this id as an parameter to this query. Then store the result of the query in C. Then the data present in the C will list 2. Then we'll print the required data from the list as list 2 of 0 and dot get username of. This will retrieve the username. Then let's run this and see. You can see that it listed all the data from the database. In this way we can retrieve all the data from the FaunaDB by querying the database using Python. I have given my GitHub repository link in the description below, where you can find this code. Thank you.